Hi guys, welcome to the call Data Analytics, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows machine. Alright guys, you could open up your browser and kindly type in download Anaconda. We're going to be using this package to actually make use of Jupyter Notebook. So you can click on this. Once you've typed Anaconda, click on this first link here, free download. Yes, and you should have those pop up, and you could scroll down and you could see downloads. Depending on your machine, I'm using a Windows machine, and if I click on this download, it should give me my exact file that I need. But just in case you are using the Mac or sort of, and you need to have a particular package installed, you could just come here and make do with the Macs or the Linux. But because I'm using the Windows, so this is just fine, and it's the 64-bit. So I'll just click on this one and I'm good to go. And don't forget, you either have a 64-bit here or a 32-bit thereabouts, depending on your Windows. So guys, you could click on this, and once you do that, it should start downloading. But I have downloaded mine. You could just check through my downloads here, and there you have it. Then I could right click and run as an administrator, and let's wait for it to run. So while it's running, yeah, yours could take a few moments depending on your internet speed before you finish downloading it. But since I have it already downloaded, so that's why, just to save time. So I'll click on next, and obviously if you want to read through the document here, you can go ahead, but I'm okay. I'll just click on agree, yes, and just in case you have a lot of privileges, you want to use more than one user, but I'm okay with just me, and that's just the one that is recommended anyway. So next, this talks about the file part where the Anaconda 3 will be installing those folders and all of that. So just click next, and also you could take note of this. This is the space required. About 5.7 gig is required, but see, I think I have a lot of space here, so please take note of that. Also, you should have enough of space to be able to install this. Next, all right, with this, I'm okay with all this. I could just click on next and go ahead and install. Okay, so while it's installing, just so something you should note, you could also make use of other tools inside of this Anaconda. You could have your R Studio and all of that. You could make do with it inside of this Anaconda. It's more like an extension where you can have to use some other packages inside of this Anaconda. Just once it finish up with the installation, you will see some of those things that I just mentioned right there. Alright, still waiting for it to install all packages. Still waiting. Shouldn't take much of the time anyway. All right, I guess it's done. So it took a little time. So just in case when you're installing yours, just take note. I might decide to perhaps fast forward those places where it actually what's installing. All right, next, yeah, next. All right, there you go. You can come right down to your machine and just type Anaconda, and there you have it. You can open it up from here. All right, this is loading up. Awesome. All right, you should have this interface once your Anaconda is up, and these are all the files or the packages which you could use in Anaconda. But since we're just going to be working with Python file, we'll be launching a Jupyter notebook, and that's where we're going to be working from. So guys, there are pretty much things that you could do. You could use the spider, the VS Code, work right here. So if you are just working, okay, if you are just working with Anaconda on your PC, you might like to choose the browser where you'd like to load up your Jupyter notebook, because you need to make use of your browser to use Jupyter notebook. So guys, you could pick the Microsoft Edge, you could pick the Chrome, depending any of them. But I'll just go with this and just go with my Microsoft. All right, now you have this interface, and this is where I'm going to be making use of Jupyter Notebook and to write our Python script. All right, just a little bit ahead of myself, you could click on this new here to click and pick this Python 3, the kernel here, and this will set up for a new page where you could start writing your script or your code line for Python. All right, guys, just in case you have other files, you can come right here to upload your files, and just you have other Python files you want to bring into this installation here, you could upload it via this place and all of that. All right, it's been a short video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.